Okay, so here we go. It's number 11 for 2.5. Looks like this. So then the very first thing that I do is I SAD map this whole thing. Okay. So when I SAD map this whole thing, right, I'm looking for subtraction and addition. I'm looking for subtraction and addition, right? So here, I'm going to add 53 to both sides. And that takes care of this extra guy, because what's getting on my nerves right now is that I can't take the log because of this guy. He's like in my way of doing it. So it is not uploading, but so it's add 53 to both sides. So then you get 10 to the x plus 5 equals to what is that? What's negative 124? Sorry, I don't know my. So let's do this. So that's 124. Let's wait for it to come up. Plus 53. We get negative 71. Okay. This is not even working. Oh, there it goes. Yay, me. Okay. So then I'm going to take the log of both sides. And some of you should be like, Miss Johnson, Miss Johnson, Miss Johnson. I know, but I have to let it run into itself so that you guys will see. If you don't know why someone would say Miss Johnson, Miss Johnson, Miss Johnson, that's okay. So these two log base 10, log of 10 will undo each other. So it's just x plus 5 of log of negative 71. And some of you are like, Miss Johnson, Miss Johnson, Miss Johnson. I know, but I gotta show everybody else. Okay. So then I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides, and I get x is equal to negative 5 plus log of negative 71. And some of you should still be like, Miss Johnson, Miss Johnson, Miss Johnson. I know. So here in the land called Desmos, here, nope, not that one. Sorry, my bad. Here, the graphing calculator, right? So what I want to do is I want to plug in negative 5 plus the log of 71. So negative 5 plus log of negative 71. And it says undefined. So now you understand why people were saying Miss Johnson, Miss Johnson, Miss Johnson. They were saying that because you can't take the log of a negative number. Exactly. So wait, so what's the answer, Miss Johnson? So the answer is no solution. Let me explain why. So let me just show you how to graph these. I'm going to plug this side into one side and this side into the other. So I'm going to plug 10 to the parentheses x plus 5. And there's my equation. And then I'm going to plug, oh, I forgot minus 53, my bad, minus 53. And then, yeah, it looks like a straight line, but it's not. And then I'm going to plug in negative 124. I got to kind of hurry because got to start your quiz. So y equals 2, right? Here we go. So then I show you, and I'm like, Ms. Johnson, I don't see anything, no problem. This is negative 24. It's all the way off screen down there. So I'm going to zoom out and look for a picture. I still don't see it. Where is my negative? Oh, there it is. Now, do you understand why there's no solution? So the reason why there's no solution, if you remember about this, you could see that we have an asymptote at negative 53, y equals negative 53. And down here is our other line. So the two are not intersecting. So therefore I say, okay, well, where do they intersect? And you're like, they don't intersect. So how do I write that as an answer, Ms. Johnson? No solution. Some of you already recognize that the moment that I took the log of a negative number. So this is no solution. Mathematicians sometimes do this. They put like a little 0. Oh, it's not updating, but it literally says no solution here. So that is our answer for this one. If you didn't know that, if you weren't one of the ones saying, Miss Johnson, Miss Johnson, Miss Johnson, no problem. When you plugged it into your calculator, it would have showed you no solution or undefined. Here's my picture. It doesn't work. Okay. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. Yes. All right. Have a great day.